Hello friends, I am Anklesh Chauhan. In my last video, I have shown you the vowels and consonants of the Hindi, like A, and Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, how to write in English. In this video, I will show you how to write names without matras. In Hindi, while we use vowels on consonants, that is called matras. By using that matras, we can write difficult words. For now, without using that matras, I will show how to use these consonants for making words without matras. Okay, without using any vowels. So first word is home. Home is called in Hindi like ghar. Ghar we can write like this: Ghar. GH for gh and R for r. Ghar. Ghar means home. So for gh, as I have shown you in last video, the gh is called GHA. Then gh we can write like this: gh, and R for r. We can see your r. This is the r. In last video I have told you that r called ra, and in this video I am just writing r, not a, just because of after r we can't pronounce or we can't say a after the r, like ghar. Not we are not saying like ghara, not like that. We are only say ghar, means after a word is finished, so that we can't use a. Okay, ghar is called home. Okay, and ghar, how to write the ghar? Like this: Ghar. Ghar. Chal, Cha is cha, and then la for l. Cha is Cha. Okay, chal means walk. Chal means walk. Fruit means fal. F-A-L. Fal. After last letter we finish the word. After finishing the word, we cannot use a, like fala. We are not saying like that, fala. Okay, but in some cases we are using a, like Devendra. While we are saying that Devendra, then after we are using it, means we are using a matra. That is why we are using that ra. We will discuss about this after some time. By this you just recognize these words fal, so that you can understand what how to write in Hindi. Okay, so fruit, it means fal, and fal is write like this: F-A-L, and this is the fa, and this is the la. Fal. Now this is the universal word when like a for apple, then ka for kamal. Okay, the first word we learn in Hindi is kamal. Kamal is called in English lotus. Okay, so for kamal, Kamal. Kamal means lotus. Promise is called vachan. So Vachan. It's very simple. You just separate these characters, separate these letters, then you can read it right away: vachana. Right? Now pen. Pen is called kalam. 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 This is like this: kalam. Kalam is called pen. Kamal. Python. Python is like ajgar. Ajgar. And we can write in English like this: ajgar. Ajgar. Okay. Batak. Batakh. Batak. Batak is like duck. Duck is called batak. Okay. By this you just recognize this letter and we form a word like ghar. Ghar. Chal. Chal means walk. Fal. Fal means fruit. Kamal. Kamal means lotus. Kalam. Kalam. Kalam means pen. Ajgar. 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 Ajgar means python. Batak. Batakh. Batak means duck. Okay. So I just shown you how to make or how to form our words in Hindi. Now if you know the word in Hindi, you can write it like this and you can read it also. So this is the without matras. We can say this is without vowels. After this you should have to learn about matras, and matras is very important for Hindi. Like vowels in English, a, I, e, o, u is very important for English language. In Hindi, matras are very important. Let us learn about the matras. Matras is like that we can put the matra in the consonants. By that consonant change their pronunciation, like this. First a has no matra. Whenever you can see the you can just read it out like a. But this a has a matra. Except this every vowels has a matra. So for a there are no matra. For a we can use a right away. For a has a matra like this, and you can see that ka plus a matra become ka, then k double a, we can say that k double a. There are also barakhari in Hindi, but you can learn that barakhari with this trick. You don't have to remember all the barakhari, you just understand this trick properly so that you can know about the barakhari very easily. So for a we can use a matra like this, and ka plus a matra become ka, and k double a will be ka, like that. E, choti e, its matra is looking like this, and ka plus e matra become like this, ki. Badi e, big e matra is looking like this, and ka plus e is ki. I have just add this e matra after the ka, then it is become ki in the pronunciation. Okay, I think you understand what I'm trying to tell you. Ku, ku, k plus u matra is written like this, ku, ku, and called it, and its pronunciation is ku. Okay, not ku, it is ku, only ku. Okay, and this badi u matra will become ku. Okay, ku. Okay, now a, matra looking like this, and we can say a, after ka we can pronounce a, so it is become k. Okay, k, and ke is the spelling. I, so after ka I matra will be kai, kai, k a I, kai. O matra will become like o, ko. Okay, au, cow, au will be added after k. Ang, an, ang is the dot on upper side of the consonant, like kung, kung. Okay, ah, is the double dot colon, we can say, after the consonants, kaha, kaha. So what we are doing, we are just pronounce that vowels after that consonants. It is very easy, you just need to understand what is the written, and you have to just understand what is the matras looking like. It is all. We can now, by using this, we can read the Hindi and we can write the Hindi. That is all, but you need some practice now. Mango is called in Hindi aam. For aam we can write like this, aam. Okay, aam. So a, then ma, aam. Imli, so for imli, imli, imli. Okay, see, in imli, first we have used this vowel e, and after la, li, we have to pronounce li. So after la we have just put this matra, e matra, on the la, so that it is become imli. Okay, rose, rose means gulab. Just I am writing over here gulab. Here is the u matra under the ga, so it will become gu, la. La plus a matra become la, and ba, gulab. Gulab is called rose. Elephant, Elephants means hathi. So ha plus a matra ha, tha plus e matra thi, hathi. Okay. Peacock is like more. Ma, then o matra mo, ra, only ra, more. Okay. So this is how we can write in Hindi. I have shown you the words how we can write. Actually, I have given you the trick. I'm telling you to memorize all the things. You just understand the trick and use it while you are writing or while you are reading. So first you have to learn about the vowels and then consonants of the Hindi, which I have shown you in my last video, and in this video I just shown you how to make the words and then shown you the trick how to make the matras and how to pronounce it, and then we have just learned about the how to form the words with the matras. Okay, in next video I will show all the Varakari and we will learn about the more complex words in the Hindi. By using this video you can write and read about the Hindi very easily. So now I am finishing this video. Please subscribe if you like my videos and hit the like button if you really like it. Share it so that this video can be used by other persons. Thank you so much.